Can you go give me a Coke?
A Coke? What's going on?
A city girl summer.
Come
Come
on,
here.
man.
Come here, boy.
Shit. You gotta rip my soul out.
What's up, Ice Gang? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another banger, man. As y'all can see, y'all already read the title. You seen the thumbnail, so y'all already know what's about to go down. I'm finna prank your boy. I'm finna be restless. And then I'm just finna get him. We finna see his reaction. And this finna be one of the bangers ever. So make sure y'all like, comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that bell, turn the post notification on so you'll know we post going all our social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that. We ain't even do no talking. We finna get right into the video. Okay. Can you go give me a Coke?
A Coke?
All you gotta do is water.
What? All I gotta hear is water.
I don't know what's so funny today, but I'm dead serious. I need a man who got Coke in his house.
What? You need a man that got what?
A Coke in his house.
What?
What you laughing at?
What's up with, what the fuck wrong with you?
See me, I can't do it. Me and you can't do it together. You wanna know why?
Oh, what?
Because you ain't got no money. I need a nigga with some money and a Coke. You ain't even got a Coke. A Coke cost 50 cents.
Shayla!
The fuck you doing?
Shayla! What?
You ready for this city girl summer that I'm gonna be in?
What's going on?
A city girl summer.
What the fuck?
You got a problem?
Why you sound?
Get out my way, please.
What the?
I'm trying to make some moves right now. Cause you ain't got no money.
Where's all this coming from?
What are you talking about?
Why you sound like that?
Sound like what?
You sound stupid. You sound slow. You sound slow.
You sound slow as hell.
What the fuck?
You mean? I don't know where you niggas from.
What?
Where you from?
Where I'm from?
Yeah, cause you ain't from where I'm from. Now can you go get me a Coke?
What?
I need a Coke.
You hot or something?
I need a Coke.
Will a Coke solve your problem you have right now? Stop acting like that, bro. Don't do that. That ain't cool.
What you mean?
That ain't cool. I don't know.
What you trying to say?
Why you sound like that?
I'm saying what you trying to say though.
What the fuck? What?
What are you trying to say?
Say it again.
What you trying to say? The fuck is your problem?
How the hell you doing that?
You acting weird. Can you go get me a Coke?
Oh, what?
A Coke. You don't know what a Coke is?
Let me get you something to drink, bro.
And don't give me no water.
What?
I don't want no water. Shit, you ain't got none of this house.
I think you got the times messed up.
You said what?
This is not those times. You sound like something. What the?
What did you say?
I ain't got no water.
Do you have some water? That's what I said, but I want a Coke.
You got a hole in your sock.
So? You...
What the fuck? That big ass hole in your sock. What
You act like you never seen a hole in a whole sock before. Sazzo? A Sazzo? Let me see what this is. This some fancy shit. Where you get this from?
Chill out. I'm gonna put you on Instagram.
Where did you get this from? I never seen no shit like this before. Fucking Sazzo. Can you stop recording?
Bro, what is wrong with this? What?
Don't record me now.
Huh?
I don't like being on them camcorders.
What the fuck?
You worried about my stock? It's a hole. Damn. You mad at a hole?
Jalen, what the fuck? Chill out. What is wrong with you?
Let me get my shit and go. You ain't never dealt with a bitch with money. Move.
Sit down. What money? What you want?
A bitch with money.
From where?
What the hell is this?
Where you get the money from?
You see this train? This from Big D. Let me taste this. What the fuck is this? This tastes like shit.
Dana, you sound like a white person. What is wrong with you?
Get this.
You
I don't drink that. No.
You sound like a fucking cowgirl or something.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh.
I don't do this. So you trying to call me country?
You sound like something wrong with you. Sound like you got gum stuck in the back of your mouth.
And you sound like you got gum stuck somewhere you don't want to see. It's City Girl Summer.
I'm gonna go back here and get on it for pretty. You tripping.
You want to see my Meganese?
Sure.
You tell me some sure. Come on.
Damn.
Let me see what's in here. It better be something big too.
Damn.
Come here. Come here, boy.
Shit. You gotta rip my soul out.
Ooh. It's something nice in there.
Come on, man. You all in my... Come on.
I like that.
You got real life problems.
Do money come with that?
Oh, hell no.
How much money come with that?
Nah.
Where your wallet at?
You bugging.
I need to go get my nails done.
You was bugging.
I need to go get my nails done.
What they got to do with me?
Ain't you my man?
You ain't finna get no money talking like
Okay,
that.
ain't you my man though?
You ain't getting no money.
You
talking
supposed
like
to take me to get my nails and my toes done.
You definitely ain't finna get no money.
I guess I just have to call my damn sugar
You
daddy.
gotta get the fuck. Call him shit. Tell that nigga throw me something.
Let me call my sugar daddy. And don't be all on my phone either. Cause you ain't ready for it. I bet he give me some money. You just wait. Let me call the other one. This one ain't answering.
How many you got?
What's so funny? You ain't used to a girl with sugar daddies? What the? See, I don't like these. I don't like these.
What the hell Shaylin there?
What the
I don't
hell
like
did I
these.
say? You know you like these.
I do not like that shit.
You do.
That shit.
You like it when I was about to put some head in it. I'm calling my sugar daddy. You just like. Hello? Hey, do you got about 50 on you? I need my nails done. I said that you got about 50 on you. I need my nails done.
You want me to see you 50 dollars?
I said, see me 50 and I need my nails done. Ain't you my sugar daddy? What? He acting stupid. Can you come here? Come here right quick.
I'm not finna come in there with you.
Now I'm trying to show you something for you. Come here. Come here.
No.
Come here.
Don't grab me.
Come here now.
What the fuck? What
Come
you
on.
want?
Come on. Sit down.
Stop grabbing me. I'm coming.
Okay, sit. Sit down.
What?
Sit down, sir. Come on.
No, don't grab me.
Okay, sit down.
Let me sit down. You
Damn,
sit
you
down.
gotta sit down a certain way.
Sit down.
I'm trying to show you how to sit a girl's
Come on,
way.
you gotta act like you then. I ain't going for this.
You don't like this?
Nah, I don't like that shit.
Why not?
That
I'm supposed to be acting ghetto.
Acting super wild. That ain't how that ghetto person sound. You sound like a white witch.
So, I got you, boy.
Man, that was some
I still got you. I don't care what you say. I still got you. Y'all already know. I got you admitted.
What was you talking like?
It don't matter. I still got you. You don't know what was going on.
What did you get me with?
I was acting ghetto.
No, I don't know.
Well, the other people find out. You always acting clueless because that's what your name is, Mr. Clueless. Clueless.
Crazy.
You act clueless all the time. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I know I did good because they gonna say I did good, but we out.